The drive belt tensioner plays an important role in keeping your vehicle's drive belt tight and working properly. When the tensioner starts to fail, it can cause several engine and accessory problems if not repaired. There are several warning signs that can help you spot a failing tensioner early and prevent more serious damage to your vehicle. One of the most common signs of a failing drive belt tensioner is a squealing or chirping noise coming from the engine bay. This sound often occurs when starting the engine or when accelerating. As the tensioner weakens, it can no longer maintain the proper tension on the belt. The loose belt may slip across the pulleys, creating a high-pitched squealing sound. Addressing the problem early can prevent further damage to the belt and other engine components. Another symptom of a bad drive belt tensioner is visible belt vibration. When the engine is running, the drive belt should move smoothly and steadily around the pulleys. If the tensioner spring becomes weak or damaged, the belt may shake, flutter, or vibrate excessively. This movement can often be seen while the engine is idling. Excessive vibration places additional stress on the belt and accessories, which can lead to premature wear and eventual failure. Uneven or excessive belt wear is also a strong indication that the tensioner may be failing. A healthy tensioner helps keep the belt aligned and properly tensioned at all times. When the tensioner is worn out, the belt may develop cracks, frayed edges, glazing, or other signs of abnormal wear. If you notice these problems during a routine inspection, it is important to check the condition of both the belt and the tensioner. Replacing only the belt without fixing the tensioner may cause the new belt to wear out quickly as well. Sticking or notchy movement in the drive belt tensioner is a clear sign of a problem. When removing or replacing the belt, you should check the tensioner by moving the arm from stop to stop. The movement should feel smooth and consistent without any resistance or jerking. If the arm feels rough, tight, or uneven, it means the internal spring or pulley may be worn out. In such cases, the tensioner should be replaced to ensure proper belt performance and prevent further damage. In some cases, a failing tensioner may cause the battery warning light to appear on the dashboard. The alternator relies on the drive belt to generate electricity and recharge the battery. If the belt slips because of insufficient tension, the alternator may not produce enough power. As a result, the battery warning light may illuminate. Ignoring this warning could eventually lead to a dead battery and a vehicle that will not start. Problems with engine accessories can also point to a bad drive belt tensioner. Since the drive belt powers multiple components, any problem with belt tension can affect their operation. For example, you may notice dim headlights, difficulty steering, or poor air conditioning performance. These symptoms occur because the belt is not transferring power efficiently to the accessories. If multiple systems begin showing problems at the same time, the tensioner and drive belt should be inspected immediately. Engine overheating can sometimes be linked to a faulty drive belt tensioner. In many vehicles, the water pump is driven by the same belt that the tensioner controls. If the belt slips or comes off, the water pump may not circulate coolant effectively through the engine. This can cause the engine temperature to rise and potentially lead to overheating. An overheating engine can suffer severe damage if not addressed quickly, making it important to investigate any cooling system problems promptly. If the tensioner fails completely, the drive belt can break or come off, stopping key systems like the alternator, power steering, and water pump. This can make the vehicle unsafe to drive and require immediate repair. By recognizing these symptoms early and replacing a faulty drive belt tensioner in time, you can maintain smooth engine performance and avoid unexpected breakdowns.